You have the white mask, so I would have normally dusted it in silver. Very light silver. I wanted that to be a light silver. So, ta-da! Here's all my. Oh, here's the rest of the yellow, by the way. Here. So I have my little carrying case that I got at the Container Store. Ta-da! And this is my new silver. And then there's also Moonstone, so she can pick whichever one she wants. I like the light, but you know, whatever you want. Just have fun with that. And I'm going to use the gold.
Oh, I like the light as well. I'm going to use the gold.
And you need to hand me the brush that you used for the gold.
There you go. And I need a brush for the silver.
My can opener. So in here, this is dry, and I just dry dust it, just like I did with the Mardi Gras. And it gives me a nice, pretty shine. So we need to do the whole mask.
Do you do the outsides like right here too?
Yes, I do the edges, because you are going to see from the edges.
All right.
Okay. And as you can see, the base color of the fondant really helps pop the luster dust. So normally, I mean, if I was doing a silver mask, I would have done a gray fondant, but that was an afterthought. So I didn't have time to, with the rain, I would have never dried in time, so she's just going to have to do the best she can. She can actually paint it, but if you paint with the silver, it gets very streaky. So I prefer the dry dust. It'll still show up. It'll still be beautiful. And we have some glitter to accent the mask, some silver hologram.
Ooh, neat.
Yep, oh yeah. We got all the fun stuff. Just making sure Cindy's not popping in. Okay, so we're going to do the edges. We've got dragées, we've got the sparkle disco dusks. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to do the blue mask, and the blue mask is going to be done, I haven't decided, it's either going to be done with sapphire or with midnight. And what I'm going to do, when you don't know what you're going to do, you use a spare piece. I got a lot of people go, oh, I'm not sure what to use. Okay, so usually I have a lot of spare pieces of, move this aside, not too far. Usually I have a lot of spare pieces of fondant hanging around because I, practice a lot of, when I'm doing a new cake, I do practice a lot. But I didn't bring them with me, I threw them out. So, do you have the can opener? Thank you. So what I'm going to do is practice on the back, because you're not going to see the back. And we're just going to decide, everyone here is going to decide what they like better. The midnight's very pretty.
Ah.
Ooh.
Okay, so there's the midnight. And then here's the sapphire.
Oh.
It doesn't show up quite as much. It's got a little bit of a lavender tint to it.
Yeah.
I think the midnight is definitely prettier. You can see the midnight better than the blue is down here. You see the midnight better? Anybody? Midnight.
A lot of people are voting for midnight.
Midnight's really pretty because you can't really see the blue down here. I don't know if it shows up on the camera or not, but definitely the midnight. So we're going to dust this with midnight. All right, Susan. I should have just asked you. Yeah.